have to subscribe. And then fucking, like, you know, like so you can play.
Hold on here.
And so,
A bunch of pads.
Really? That's so sad.
no, because at the end when you have
I'm gonna get hit by that.
and so I fucking pick it up. I pick it up in the middle.
Everybody, put them on.
So, and I just like, you know, I put my stomach center against it.
Get the lighter.
And I just crack.
You can play sparklers with sparklers. Wear them all baggy.
The screw came off of it.
Put them right there.
It's pretty dark out here.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
So,
You can't see anything. Hey, boost of candy.
What's the bucket? This is what I need right here.
I give you the power.
Sweet. Now I can come back and illuminate you guys. There's your
show my
You goody?
What do you got, Ivan? Show us your candy.
I think he...
Show us the candy. Is that candy boobs, Alex?
Rolling with candy boots.
Oh!
Get him! Don't let go of that stick!
Hit him again! Hey, he's the top. He's the top.
He likes the round.
Stab him. Up. Stab him. Up. Higher.
My God, were they back?
Poke him. Everybody, rush the candy. Wait, let her do it without the bandana.
Hey, I'm getting candy, everybody. Where's the ball? There's ball in there.
There we go.
Hey, look over there. Hey, I need a blunt.
Damn, she's collecting all of it. Oh, that pop was supposed to be mine.
Stop stepping on him.
Stop stepping.
Peanut.
Each candy count. Get off my ass.
Damn, you got, what did you have, a leg?
That's right.
Yeah. She had a Cookie Monster leg.
Get this. Nobody took the peanuts.
Hey, let's see what it looks like now.
Come on, hurry up.
Whoa, he still got a lot of candy.
What are you doing?
I didn't know he had a lot of candy.
We got one more person left.
Who's left?
He's a cripple.
I don't have that much.
You know peanuts caught on stumble.
Okay, let me get some peanuts.
We got at least